Aloha guys, Chef Ippy here. I'm super stoked to bring you another cooking video. Haven't done one of these in a while, so today I'm doing an extra special one. This is from my childhood. This is personal. This is special. This dish I serve at my restaurant nowadays, and I have it in my cookbook, the Easy Hawaiian Cookbook. So if you want to check it out, get it on Amazon, Target, one of those places. I'm not plugging it, but I'm just saying, go check it out. You can see this recipe. Chicken Katsu, guys. Deep fried, breaded chicken thighs. Juicy, marinated, doesn't get better than this. I'll show you the whole process, show you how we do the sauce. Let's get started. Now for the most important part, the marinating. All right, so in the bowl, we have about 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm gonna do 3 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of garlic powdered, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, okay? So we're using both black pepper and white pepper. 3 to 4, I'm gonna go 4 here, tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, about a pinch of MSG. If you guys can get the Shaoxing, get the Shaoxing. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of that also in here, and then kind of mix everything together. And from here, we're gonna start breading. And now to bring it all together, what I think is the best part of the whole dish, the sauce. Now we can call this some backyard barbecue sauce, but I just call it chicken katsu sauce. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire, a spoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of hacked brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, and a few pinches of salt. And the final thing to round it all off, I'm gonna do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dashes. Well, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dashes. No, 15 dashes is good. 15 dashes of Tabasco. Bring some of that acidity, bring some of that actual acidity and that like vinegary kind of taste to it, that spice. Mix all this together. There you have it, guys. Chicken katsu, to me, the best fried chicken in the world. And you know, you can get fancy with it and drizzle or whatever, but how we do it here and how I like to do it, give it a good dunk. Enjoy, guys. The best, the best.